Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial video in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new Bing image creator. So to use that, first you need to go to your Google search bar and search for Bing image creator. And this link will pop up, which is the Bing image creator from Microsoft Designer. So just click on it. And after that, you might need to log in with your Microsoft account here. So after logging with Microsoft account, you will have this window here. And to create an image here, you just have to put a prompt here and you can see the other generation here. So this is the only random images that will show here. So create your own image. For example, I'm writing a prompt here, a dog in a suit. And for creation, just click on create here and it will start to create your image here and it will use every token for an image creation here. So you get 15 images token for every day and it will regenerate again. So don't worry, after if you run out the image generation token, it will take longer to create your image here. So as you can see, we have created the image here and these images all look pretty good here. So if I just click on this image here, you can see these images look pretty good here. So to download this image, you just need to click on this download option here, click on download, and it will automatically download to your PC here. So if I go to the download option, and as you can see, this is the real image here and it's look pretty high resolution and high quality here. So that's it guys, this is how you can use the Bing image creator. And also if I close that, you can see the previous images that I have created in this Bing image generator in this recent section here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this.